President-elect Trump announced his plans to nominate Paul Atkins as the next SEC chair, and a move that's seen as very friendly for the crypto market. And all of that might have helped propel us to the 6 digits we are at now. To break it all down, Michael Bucella joins us. He's managing partner and co-founder of Neoclassic Capital. It's good to see you again, Mike. I've always seen those charts going around that there was this wall of selling that we were going to hit right around this level, but we seem to have just plowed right through it. What does that tell you?
Yeah. There's always a wall of selling at some point in the crypto markets. I think, again, $100,000 as a price should not be celebrated. It was fairly implied in the vol markets. It's not a massive move in a kind of a daily price movement standpoint, but it's more symbolic. So I think $100,000. We all celebrated last night in Miami. There's a lot of crypto communities down here for Art Basel. I was having dinner with the Solana community when Bitcoin crossed $100,000. It's more just symbolic. The war is over. So the war between U.S. regulators and the global crypto community is done. What is that typically followed by? Subsequently, you have peace negotiations and treaties, and we're working on those now. I think we've laid a lot of groundwork in 23 and 24. I don't think crypto is a top of the stack priority for the incoming administration, but it's certainly a priority. And so it feels incredibly good to be at $100,000 before 2025. I think on my way out from Goldman, I don't think he remembers this, but I messaged Lloyd Blankfein saying I think we'd get there by 2025, and we're here. Feels good.
Well, we'll bring him on for comment. I don't think he was much, but was he a crypto fan?
You know what? I would always say Lloyd was open to anything where he could manage the risk of the position. So Bitcoin at this point probably would have played into that.
How important is President Trump's seeming support for Bitcoin obviously in this most recent move, but heading into the future?
I mean, the way that I think about the crypto markets and the price movement relative to what's happened in the last 6 weeks, the opportunity set, yes, it may have grown somewhat, but the opportunity set's always remained the same. We've always been bullish in certain use cases, whether it be stable coins, decentralized finance, financializing certain digital assets like intellectual property, gaming on chain. But the opportunity set expansion isn't as important as the risk reduction. So we've seen a material de-risking across every segment of the market. From, obviously the big Joe Rogan podcast with Mark Andreessen discussed the debanking or choke point 2.0 that happened to the market. That again was one part of us overcoming what was a stranglehold in our market. And so I think we've never, in my 8 years of being in this industry full time, we've never been in a situation where we haven't had an oppressive regulatory regime in the U.S. A lot of that was we were risking brain drain. A lot of very talented people went offshore, and I think this will hopefully bring a lot of that back onshore.